Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use substitute function in Excel. So let's start. This is the data set we will use for substitute function. Uh, Here we will give 5 examples where we can use substitute function. Substitute function is case sensitive. That is, the output varies if the input is given in uppercase or lowercase. So we will uh, see the case sensitivity of substitute function in example 5. So we are starting from example 1. Here we can see in the first column, before within first and last name there is a underscore sign here. So if I want to substitute this underscore sign with a space, then use substitute function. Now substitute function is enabled. Now I have to select this text. There are few arguments here. After giving the text, we have to give old text. So old text is underscore, and we have to give this underscore within inverted comma. So this is our old text, that is the text we want to change. Then comma, new text. What we want to give a space between them. So within inverted comma I'm giving a space, closing inverted comma. So the new text is also given here. I'm not including any instances number. uh, I'm not giving any comma. So then after closing bracket, if I enter, we can see the result. I am discussing the arguments again. First we have to give the old text, the entire text. Then we have to give the old text, that is the text we want to change, and we have to give this within inverted comma, that is underscore within inverted comma. And then finally we want to change that into space. So another inverted, within another inverted comma, we have included a space. So if I enter here, we can see our output as we needed. Example 2. Here we can see alpha 2017 flx 012. So uh, a code comprises of different things. Here we want, we can see that after every text there is a space. Alpha, after alpha there is a space. Then after 2017 there is a space. After flx there is a space. So we want to convert this text into, uh, we have to we want to substitute this space into dash. Okay, to do that, let's substitute. Then select the entire text, comma, the old text is space here. So we, within inverted comma, I've given the space. Then new text will be a dash, and dash will be given within inverted comma. Okay, then closing bracket, we can see this output. Now example number 3. Here we can see a phone number. So we want to add a plus sign before this 99. So how we can do that? Let's use substitute function again. Then select the entire text first. Then old text is 99. Though 99 is uh, a number, but we have to give this as text form. So we have to give this within inverted comma, and this will be turned into plus 99. So here P18 means it selected the entire text. Then it will catch the 99. This is the old text, and it will substitute as plus 99. So closing bracket. Okay, so now we can see a plus sign is added before this 99. I'm dragging across. So this is the output. Now, in this two example, we will show the case sensitivity of substitute function. So here, let's enable this function, and this is our text. Okay, what I want to do, I want to give old text means I will give a text, and I want to turn it into a new text. So I'm giving apple, APPLE, and I want the apple should be turned into orange. Okay, then enter. We can see it has not changed because this is our old text, and in old text we have uh, given all the letters in lowercase order, but here in the main text it is given as uppercase, so it will not uh, applied here. But if I drag this, we can see this is changed into orange, because if I select this cell after dragging, the formula is pasted here. So here we can see the formula, substitute R19. This is now R19, this is now R19, and here it will try to find apple. uh, this is my old text, and when substitute function start working, it went into this and it tried to search this lowercase, and it got it, and that's why it enabled and it turned apple into orange. Here we can see a sentence, I love dogs and I have 3 dogs. So I if after enabling this function, let's select the text first, then old text, I want to give let's dogs. I want all the dogs should be turned into cats. CATS. So we can see the old text was I love dogs and I have 3 dogs, and my substituted text is I love cats and I have 3 cats. The dogs is substituted in cats. Now uh, we will do uh, we will add another thing, that is we I am enabling that again. This is my text. My old text is dogs, and I want it to be cats, and here instance number. We can see in this sentence dogs appear twice, this first and second. We want to keep this first dogs as it is, and we want to change these dogs into cats. So here the second dogs will be affected. So instance number is 2. If I give 2, then the second dogs will be changed. The first dogs will be remain as it is. See, I love dogs and I have 3 cats. Now if I do it once again, selecting the entire thing, my old text is now I have selected the entire text. Now when I will give any old text, then with the help of substitute function, it will go and search in this the text that I give here. I am giving dogs, the same dogs, but here we can see that all the letters are in uppercase, and as we know substitute function is case sensitive, so it will not work, and that is what I want to show you into TS. You see, I love dogs and I have 3 dogs. My old text was I love dogs and I have 3 dogs, so nothing has changed here. Why? Because if I select this cell, I can see the formula here, I have selected the I, old text as dogs, but when substitute function went into this, it never find dogs with uppercase, and that's why the result is not generated here. So this is how substitute function works in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.